What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So let's do the battle of the cameras in low light. I got the Galaxy S8 Plus, I got the Galaxy S9 Plus, and I got the Galaxy S10. Let's put all three of these devices and see which one is King Supreme. Now, let's go down and find out how Samsung has progressed over the years with all three of these devices. Wow, let's do this in all low light. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Alright guys, so here it is. The Galaxy S8 Plus, the Galaxy S9 Plus, and the Galaxy S10, all 1080p 60 frames per second. Let's go to do this in low light. I'm doing this here in the mall, about 1 a.m. in the morning, a little past 1. And I want y'all to see that the low light here video on all three devices. And I'm going to go audio from side to side so y'all guys can hear the audio on all three devices. So as I walk, we got optical image stabilization on deck and going from there. Now let's go to look at the Five Guys sign. Which one give you the better clarity as we go here and boom, let's walk. Now, one of the things that I found in the Galaxy S10 is that in video mode, it doesn't have pro mode. And I believe if you update to the Android 9.0, you're going to lose pro mode on your Galaxy devices, which is a bad thing. I don't like that. So let's go and look at this. Woo! Look at that red. Which one give you the deeper red? And I'm on auto mode on all three devices. Let's look at the sky. Which device white balance kicking in? Boom, look at that sky. Which one give you the deeper blacks? That's important there. All right, so let's walk 1080p, 60 frames per second on all three devices. And let's see if we can get into some of this greenery here. Right, look at that. Boom, let's walk. All right, so look at that. 1080p, 60 frames per second. Which one give you the deeper green? Man, that's pretty. All three of them look good. Galaxy S8, a few years old. Galaxy S9 last year, and the Galaxy S10 2019 device. Woo, that's what I'm talking about. So let's walk. Bam. Let's get some focus points going on here. 1080p 60. Now look at that wall. Let's see which one go get that white balance kicking in. See how dark that get? See which one go light up the fastest. Boom. Boom. Yes. And let's get close deep. Which one give you the more details? Boom. Let's look at that. Which one go focus the fastest? As you could tell, the Galaxy S8 Plus still have that long focus time at 1080p 60 frames per second. As you can see, take a little while for it to focus, and then there it is. The Galaxy S9 Plus and the Galaxy S10 focus very fast. All right, so here it is. This is 4K, 30 frames per second on the Galaxy S8 Plus, Galaxy S9 Plus, and the Galaxy S10. All right, so this is 4K. Now we all know that the Galaxy S8 Plus doesn't have 4K 60, so we got to roll with 4K 30. And but you be the judge for yourself for looking at this camera. All low light. So look at that. That sky. Which one give you the deeper blacks? Which one give you the deeper blacks? That's what I'm talking about. And again, let's look at that tree. Little trees here. Boom. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go to the pan around. Yes. So as you can see right there, the Galaxy S8 kind of struggling a little bit on that low light scenario, but the Galaxy S9 and the Galaxy S10 looking pretty good. Alright, so here it is. This is the front-facing camera of the Galaxy S8 Plus, the Galaxy S9, and the Galaxy S10. Here it is. You be the judge for yourself. Now let me know how the audio is from side to side with all three devices. As I walk, look at that background. You be the judge for yourself. Well, I'll tell you what, the Galaxy S10, that front-facing camera looking good, but I'm looking at the Galaxy S8 Plus. That background, that low light don't look that great like it used to. And the Galaxy S9 looks pretty good. But you let me know about the audio and the video on all three devices. There it is, as I pan around, all low light. This is how we roll. This is Eric from Music Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think. But all three of these cameras in action in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace. Like this. It's time to go. Let's go.